I would do an unboxing of the Sena 20S EVO. They had a deal on these, well, I guess I'm not sure about a deal, but they, on their website, on the Sena website, you can actually purchase certified refurbished units. So I thought I would give one a try, because they were quite a bit cheaper than the new models. They come with the same warranty, 2-year warranty, as brand new ones, so I thought, well, we'll see what happens. It might just be because it was, somebody may have brought it in for refurbishing, maybe because it was scratched, dropped, dented, I don't know. They were supposed to go over the units, make sure everything is completely functioning, and like I said, it comes with a full warranty. See, it says refurbished all over the place. Let's make sure I get that refurbished sticker open here. Let's see what it comes with. Bluetooth unit itself, main communicator, mounting. That's the portion that mounts right on the helmet. The boom mic comes pre-assembled or pre-installed. Also comes with the speakers. Everything looks like it's brand new. Even the unit itself, I don't see any dings, scratches. So it's refurbished, but looks brand new. So that's that portion. Let's see what else came in the box. USB cable, cigarette lighter, charger, manuals, quick start guide, quick reference, all kinds of manuals there. What do we have? Oh, a whole bunch of all the components. All kinds of goodies come with it. So you get some extra 3M tape. Stick some of the various goodies on. I think a lot of this, you won't use everything that comes in these packages, but they give you everything for all the different ways of mounting it. Now there is an external mic. Again, you can use one of those to stick that on your helmet if you wanted to use that type of mic. An extension cable. There's another mic. So it's a shorter boom, but instead of being mounted on the unit itself, you mount this on your helmet. Velcro and sticky tape. Foam pads for the headset, for the earpieces, and some other thicker foam. So that's to actually stick the unit on the outside of the helmet if you didn't want to use the clamp portion, or you couldn't use the clamp portion. So you can stick it with 3M tape on the outside of the helmet. It comes with the hex key, the Allen wrench to undo the clamp, more foam pads, and then foam pad for on the microphone to break down the wind. That's everything that comes with it. So for being refurbished, it looks like a brand new unit. Everything is in there. All the quick start guides, all the different languages. So Sena does a good job on these refurbs. User guide, full user guide, you can download it. Yeah, so they did a really good job on the refurbing for all the packaging ingredients anyway, for everything that's packaged with it. So the next thing we'll have to do is mount it up in a helmet. So that's the unboxing. All the goodies, components, everything that comes with it. This is Sena 20S EVO. So I'll mount that up on my helmet. It's going to take me a little bit because I have to do some modification on the helmet itself to get these to fit in. So the helmet I own does not have any type of option for speakers around the earpiece. So if I stick these in there, they'll be pressing up against my ears. So I'm going to have to get them on the outer side, somehow inside on the helmet, but clear enough space so that they won't be pressing up against anything. So that's basically the unboxing for this. Next step, I'll go through and mount it on my helmet. Alright, so I was able to get the Sena 20S installed on my helmet. Took a little extra time to get this, on the helmet. Like I said, inside here there was no spot for the earphones, but I got it installed. So there it is, and this is a HJC helmet, modular. So you can pop the top open like that, or the front of it open. Have the mic up in here. Now, you may not be able to see inside, but anyway, these cheek pads come out. There's a little snap on the side here, a little bit of Velcro here. I was able to get the wires coming down out of the unit itself, tuck them down underneath, in behind, and in around. And inside the spot, I was able to get the ear. It's dark in there, you're not going to be able to see anything anyway. I have it all in behind the material. So everything's in behind the material, so it's not pressing against my ear, I can't feel anything, but it has really good sound. I can hear everything in there. Same on the other side. This is an install of a refurbished 20S EVO on an HJC modular helmet. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.